So if you don't already know this, I hope you do. Goldcast works by ingesting videos and turning them into repurposed content for you, your brand, and your brand's employees to share to the world. By including Goldcast as part of your machine, you're going to create something that is really beneficial. How do you do that? You're going to learn how to use Goldcast, test it out, learn the UI, ask for a demo, ask for their customer success team to walk you through how to use it, learn the UX, get into the nitty gritty of the features and the details so you are comfortable using it in the future. It's like driving a car. You want to know where all the buttons are so you don't try to find the radio while you're on the freeway and crash. Sorry, that's a terrible metaphor. Next, you're going to apply your branding to Goldcast. Upload your fonts and your logos and your colors so that your videos are already branded and correctly post ingestion by Goldcast. And then what you're going to want to do is create docs, whether you use Asana or Google Sheets or whatever, it doesn't really matter. Your documents will help you keep track of all of the video projects and clips that you're currently working on and editing. It will help your team contribute by adding long form videos or webinars that can be repurposed into new content. It will also help your boss understand how much work you do and the results of that work.